My dear student, I am going to explain you about Ohm's law and its determination. According to Ohm's law, current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference applied across its end, provided temperature and mechanical strain of the conductor remains constant. Mathematically, we can write I proportional to V, keeping temperature T constant and mechanical strain constant. Therefore, we can write I is equal to Kv, where K is proportionality constant. It is called as proportionality constant. If we calculate V, then V is equal to 1 by Ki. Putting 1 by K is equal to R, we get V is equal to IR, where 1 by K is equal to R and R is another constant further, which is called as resistance of the conductor, which depends on the nature and configuration of the conductor. Now, how to deduce this Ohm's law mathematically? So from drift velocity, we know that drift velocity Vd is equal to E capital E by m into tau, where small e is the electronic charge or charge on the electron, E is the electric field applied across the conductor, across the ends of the conductor, and m is the mass of the electron. Tau is the relaxation time, which is defined as the average time elapsed between two successive collisions in the conductor. Putting E is equal to V by L, where V is the potential difference applied across the conductor and L is the length of the conductor, we will get Vd is equal to EV by ml into tau. It is denoted by equation 1. We know that I is equal to NEA Vd, where N is the number density of electron, E is the charge on the electron, A is the area of cross section of the conductor, and Vd is the drift velocity of the electron, I is the current flowing through the conductor. Therefore, substituting the value of equation 1, that is Vd, in equation 2, we get I is equal to NEA into EV by ml into tau. Altogether we will get this equation, and then we will get this equation V is equal to ml tau by NE square A into I. In bracket ml tau divided by NE square A is a constant which depends on the nature of the conductor, because L is the length, A is the area of cross section, M is the mass of electron, is the charge on electron, N is the number density, and this tau is the relaxation time, and these all depends on the nature of the conductor. Therefore, it is written like a constant R. Therefore, V is equal to Ri, and this constant, if it is taken in